To avoid repeat toilet clogs in the future, adopt predictable habits that reduce blockages before they start. Start by removing flushing non-degradable materials from the bathroom routine and place a small waste bin next to the toilet for wipes, feminine products, cotton buds, and other items that should not enter the drain. Limit the amount of toilet paper used per flush by teaching household members to use less, and consider folding instead of wadding for a single comfortable cleanse. Perform regular maintenance checks every month by inspecting the tank components, testing the flapper and fill valve operation, and quickly replacing any parts that show wear to avoid weak flushes that leave paper behind. If you have older two-piece toilets, tighten the tank to bowl bolts and add a new wax ring when you notice leaks or poor sealing, because a slight misalignment can reduce flush power. For partial clogs, use a flange plunger with firm, steady pumps rather than rapid jerks, and follow with a single full flush to confirm clearance. If you live in a home with low-flow toilets, upgrade to a modern high-performance low-water use model that maintains strong siphon action. And when choosing a replacement, pick one with a wide trapway and a MAP rating of at least 600 grams for reliable solids removal. Common mistakes are flushing wipes or paper towels because they swell and trap debris. Stop this by disposing of these items in the bin. Another issue is overuse of toilet paper, which accumulates and slows drains. Solve this by reducing the amount per flush and using 2 shorter flushes if needed. A third problem is neglecting tank maintenance, which causes weak or partial flushes. Prevent that with simple monthly checks and replace worn flappers and valves promptly to restore full flush force. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work across their communities. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and professionals about preventing issues like repeat toilet clogs.